YouTube. I got the spark plugs all changed out. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crank this thing up. And we're gonna really see what it's sounding like, YouTube. So hopefully everything runs good. So let's give it a test, YouTube. Let's see what it's gonna do. YouTube. It's your boy Tone coming back at y'all, man. One more again with another great video on Chevy's R Us YouTube channel. Y'all already know what time it is, man. And I'm just excited today, man, because guess what? Man, those LS swappers, I'm gonna save you some money. Those LS swappers, I might save you some time. Cause I discovered I did not know, man. What I'm getting ready to do, man, is swap out some spark plugs. And what happened is right after I got this LS engine in the car, I was running it with just the headers on it. And it was running way too rich. I didn't run it that much, but it was running way too rich because it was sucking in the oxygen from outside of the headers. And the controller said that cylinders 1, 4, and 8 was not firing properly. And so now I have to swap the plugs out. I took plug number 1 and plug number 8 out. And number 1 smelled straight like gas. And number 8 was black. But I cannot get spark plug number 2 out. I can't get it out because I got the headers on it. And you can't get a conventional spark plug socket on it with the headers on. So what I had to do, let me show y'all. I had to go to the auto parts store and get these pass-through sockets to where I can slip this on the socket and the end of the spark plug will stick out the other side, and I can put a box wrench on there and get it out. Let me show you the conventional spark plug. Let me see if I got one over here. Let me see. Right here, this is spark plug number 2. You can't get that in there. That can't get in there. That can't even fit in there. So what we're gonna probably have to do is put it on from the bottom. It won't even get from the bottom. What's up? There go Kenny right there, y'all. Say, nah, not yet. I'm working on it right now, Kenny. All right, my brother. Yes, sir. That's my brother Kenny right there, y'all. My neighbor, he checking up on me. But even if I go from down below, you're not gonna be able to get that in there. So let's open this up and we're gonna try one of these sockets, YouTube. We'll be back in a minute. YouTube. Man, I got that number 4 plug out. Y'all don't see it down there no more. It's out. I got it right here. But what I did is I had to use this pass-through socket like this. And then I had to use a box wrench to slip out underneath it that way. And I had to do it from the bottom, YouTube. I had to come up in there from the bottom like this. Boom. But I got it out, laying on my back from underneath the car. I was able to get it out. YouTube. Man, I just want to let y'all know one thing, YouTube. First and foremost, man, I want to thank each and every single one of you, man. If you looking at this video if you subscribe to my channel, that means that you got some type of passion towards cars or old school cars or something. And I just want to thank you. I want to thank you for your support. And I just want to encourage you and motivate you and let you know, man, that you can do this too. Yeah, you can do exactly what I'm doing too. I want to motivate you. I want to encourage you and let you know that you can do all things through Jesus Christ who strengthens you. There is nothing that you cannot do. So if you've been thinking about putting together an old school project, or you just had that passion, what I do is I challenge you, YouTube, to pray and ask the Lord through Jesus Christ to strengthen you and bless you so that you can do whatever your heart desires. The Lord says that if you follow him, then he will bless everything that you put your hands on will be blessed. So whatever your heart desires, whatever passion is on your heart, it may be the desire to start a business. You might already be in business and you want the Lord to just bless you. I challenge you, YouTube. I challenge you. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. For somebody, it might be putting together a car. Somebody, it might be starting your own business. You don't have to have all the steps. You ain't got to have all the details worked out. When I first started this YouTube channel, I didn't have all the details worked out. I didn't know who was going to edit. I didn't know how to edit. I didn't have no intro. I ain't have nothing. The only thing that I had, that I still have, is Jesus Christ. And so I just want to motivate you and encourage you, YouTube, that you can do this same thing. You can do whatever it is that your heart is desiring for you to do. I don't care what it is. It ain't got to have nothing to do with no car. But I just want to motivate somebody. I want to encourage you. And my prayer lies with you. Whoever's watching this video, my prayer lies with you. All right, YouTube? So let us get these spark plugs swapped out so we can get this thing crunk up, YouTube. We'll be back in a minute. Later. All right, YouTube. I got the spark plugs all changed out. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crank this thing up. And we're gonna really see what it's sounding like, YouTube. So hopefully everything runs good. So let's give it a test, YouTube. Let's see what it's gonna do.